How to uninstall and delete Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall and delete the Facebook Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, just tap on manage apps. And now here, once you are in this page, you will see all the apps that are currently installed on your device. Now here you can just tap on the search bar at the top and simply type in Messenger. And now here from the search result, just tap on the Messenger app. And now here, once you're inside the Messenger app settings, then at the bottom center, you can see the uninstall button. So there you can simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, Messenger will be removed from your device. And that's it. That's how you can uninstall and delete Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.